Hello guys, my name is Syahira and welcome back to my podcast. Today, we are driving into the world of aligned entrepreneurship and technology-based business venture. Especially, we will be talking about Mimpikita, a company founded by the Zulkifli sister. They have three, Nura Afida, Amira Hanis, and Fatimah Anishahira, that establish the perfect blend of innovation, resilience, and strategy management. Whether you are aspiring entrepreneur, a setup interest of just someone interested in how business can thrive in the fast-paced tech landscape, this episode is for you. Mimpikita was founded in 2017 with the vision of combining technology, creative, and business acumen to create a lasting impact in the fashion brand. Based in Kuala Lumpur, the company was quickly raised to prominence in his field by embracing AGILE and focusing on continuous improvement. So, let's dive into how Mimpikita has managed to stay ahead in the tech startup games. One of the key principles that set Mimpikita apart from other startups is its unwavering focus on align. Into the first involves the industry, the ability to evolve quick and adapt to changing market conditions is critical, and Mimpikita has mastered this. Align isn't just about being fast, it's about being responsive, iterative, and continuous improving. This mindset starts with the leadership teams led by Nura Afida, Amira Hanis, and Fatimah Anishahira, and flow down to every department. The company completes in short development cycle, regularly reviewing and refining their product offering based on user feedback, market trend, and technology investment. By staying aligned, Mimpikita ensure that it's not just reacting to change but proactively shaping in future in the tech. But how exactly does this aligned mindset look in practice at the Mimpikita? For one, the company maintains a fail fast, learn faster approach. They experiment with new technology-related data as a feedback and make necessary adjustment about fair or failures. This is critical in tech setup with innovation and description are key drive. Another critical factor in the success of any modern setup is the use of data. At Mimpikita, data isn't just used for tracking progress. It's embedded in a very discussion-making process. Discussion ensures that the company stays aligned with the customer needs, market trends, and business goals. By leveraging aligned analytics and key performance indicators, Mimpikita is able to make informed decisions that are both effective and efficient. For instance, in deciding on which product feature to priority, they analyze user engagement metric, customer feedback, and industry benchmark. This allows them to deliver what makes most to their customer while avoiding wasting resources on features that doesn't align with market demands. Moreover, their approach to decision making is not just about numbers. It's about understanding the story behind the data. The leadership at Mimpikita take a holistic view of data point using its compress to guide the company's strategy. Moving on to one of the most important aspects of any setup, team building. Not that individual can success without a strong, resilient team that is aligned with the company vision. And Mimpikita has truly nailed this. A research team is more than just a group of talented individuals. It's a group that can withstand challenge, adapt to change, and stay committed to the mission even when they just got through. The company places a strong emphasis on creating a sportive and collaborative work environment where each member feel valued and empowered to contribute in their This culture of result also tied into the aligned mindset we spoke about it earlier. Team at Mimpikita are cross-functional, working together on everything from the product development to customer support. This interdepartmental collaboration ensures that they are moving through a common goals and adapting to challenge in real time. Moreover, the company focus very on continuous learning and development. They offer training and development opportunity for their team to keep with a new technology, industry trend, and best practice. This help build a workforce. This is not only skilled but also adaptable to the ever-changing landscape of technique. Now, let's talk about the business side of things, management and planning. Well, Align and Elizabeth are veteran. None of it will work without a strong foundation of strategy planning and management. At Mimpikita, business planning is an ongoing process that they don't just set a long-term goals and forget about them. Instead, they use dynamic planning, adjusting their strategy as needed based on new information, market change, and evolving goals. The leadership team ensure that every department understands the business vision and their role in making that vision a reality through regular communication and real performance metrics. Mimpikita create a sense of ownership across the team, which fosters accountability and drives success. Their management style is a blend of the top-down and bottom-up approach, where leadership set the overall direction. There is definitely seen input from employees at all levels to refine strategy and improve operation. This openness to feedback and idea fosters innovation and a sense of ownership within the team, driving anyone to contribute to the setup success. And now, let's look at some case study of how Mimpikita has turned its Align and strategy approach into a success. One shout-out example is the approach to launching a new product line. Instead of waiting for a month or every year to perfect a product before launching it, the law is interactive approach. The launching a minimum viable product early just the core feature and status it with a select group of users. Based on the feedback, they made quick improvement and interacted on the product. This allowed them to bring the product to market fast and more efficiently than traditional development cycle. Another case study involves this impression into a new market. Mimpikita used a data-driven insight to identify emerging trends and gaps in the market. This rapid built a business case around this insight, adjusting their offering and interest a new market with a tailored strategy. This quite varied and strategy planning helped them capture a new customer and establish themselves in a competitive space. These are just a few examples of how Mimpikita leverages agility, data resilience, and strong management to achieve success in the technique setup role. To wrap up today's episode, I want to emphasize that the journey of the technique-based setup is very easy. It's a maze of challenge, uncertainty, and constant adaptation. However, by adopting an aligned mindset, using data to make informed decisions, building a resilient team, and staying committed to continuous learning and improvement, company like Mimpikita prove that success is not just possible, it's sustainable. For any experienced entrepreneur or current business owner out there, I hope today's episode gives you some valuable insight into how to build a technique setup that not only survive but thrive in an ever-changing landscape. Thank you for tuning into this episode of Mimpikita. Until next time, keep innovating and remember, the key to success in business is always evolving with the time. Thank you.